Real estate postcards are a great way to introduce a new listing or spread the word about an upcoming open house. With our new WisePrinting feature, you can send real estate postcards to your database right from your WiseAgent account. Here's how to get started. In your WiseAgent account, you go up to the Marketing tab and down to WisePrinting. Once on this page, you'll be given steps below on how to create your account. The first one being, you'll come to the top here where it says email and put your email address in to create a WisePrinting account. On this page is your contact list where you will select your contacts that you want to send your postcards to. You can select a category here, a source, or any other search criteria below. Once you hit go, your list will populate with your search results, and you can see which of your contacts have incomplete or complete addresses. You can easily edit them and complete the address field by hitting this edit button and filling in the information here. Once you have chosen your contacts, you will come up to the top here and select your list name. And then you'll hit upload. Once you see that your contacts have been uploaded, you'll hit OK, and then you'll go to WisePrinting. Once on this page, you'll be able to see how many contacts you've selected. You can select your postcard size, and the total price for your order will be reflected here. When you're happy with this, you can hit choose a design. There are different design categories for you to choose from, such as sold or just listed, and within these categories, you will find multiple design templates to choose from. Once you find one that you would like to choose, you can still change the size here, zoom in to see more details, and once you're happy with it, you can hit personalize now. On this page, you'll be able to pick a color scheme for your postcards. Once you choose a color scheme, it will load here in real time so you can see what it looks like. And when you're happy with it, you'll hit next. Here's where you can add more information about the property that you're listing. You enter your phone number information here and your website, and here's where you'll be able to put your agent photo, your company logo, and any pictures for your listing will show up here. When you're happy with everything here, it will show up on this preview here. You want to put in the price as it appears up here and fill out the rest of this info. You can see a preview here. And when you're happy with it, you'll hit next. This page will show you info that goes on the back of your postcard here. As you can see, there's a short bio about you and why people should work with your business. You can personalize any of the info here, and again, you can click to see exactly how it will look. And when you're happy with that, you'll hit next. Here are the lists that you have already uploaded. This is the one I just did. And so I'll select that and hit next. Here's where you can add your own personal address so you can receive a copy of your mailing's direct mail piece so you know exactly when prospects are receiving theirs. You can add your address here, and when you're ready, just hit next. On this page is where you'll need to approve your design. Once you view your proof and you're happy with everything, you will have to check this box in order to proceed. You want to make sure everything's spelled right, all of the information is correct, and it's exactly how you'd like it. Once you're happy with it, you can check this box and hit Add to Cart. Here's where you can see the entire order, and when you've verified everything on this page, you'll hit Checkout. Select your billing address here, and on this page you'll receive more information about your order. Once everything's in order, you hit Submit, and once your order has been submitted, you will have your confirmation order here. Something else to know is under Save Drafts here, you can see postcards that you have previously made but not sent. And here is where you can edit your list that you have uploaded to your account. If you'd like to edit any of these lists, you'll go to this Edit button here. And here's where you'll be able to edit any of your client information. You can change any of it here, but be aware that changing it here will not change it in your WiseAgent account. Back in your WiseAgent account, you can check the status of any of your postcard orders under the tab here. You can see individual statuses and the status as a whole. This is an awesome tool to add to your marketing strategy for new listings. And as always, our team is standing by if you need any help or have any questions about WisePrinting. Thanks for watching.